Hi, welcome to CodeCaf. In this episode, we're going to talk about if AI will replace software engineers. If you're a developer, a tester, or a DevOps engineer, I'm sure you asked this question more than once. Will AI replace your job? If you follow news lately, an AI startup company called Cognition announced world's first AI engineer 3 days ago. Within this announcement, it receives 24 million views. Let's watch it.
Hey, I'm Scott from Cognition AI, and today I'm really excited to introduce you to Devin, the first AI software engineer. Let me show you an example of Devin in action. I'm going to ask Devin to benchmark the performance of Llama on a couple different API providers. From now on, Devin is in the driver's seat. First, Devin makes a step-by-step plan of how to tackle the problem. After that, it builds the whole project using all the same tools that a human software engineer would use. Devin has its own command line, its own code editor.
So will AI replace your job? It depends. If you think software engineering is merely coding, then yes, it's going to replace your job within weeks, if not days. But software engineering is not just coding. It's about problem solving, about the real world scenario, the ever changing requirement from the business, the software maintenance, production issues, and everything the software engineer is doing beyond coding, the technical skills, is not going to be tackled by some AI tool. Not yet. I'm not saying it's impossible, not yet.